Today is November 21st, Thursday, and I'm right now at Clearwater Bay Country Park. My objective is hike to a place called Blades Ridge, Dopinze. It's about 5 kilometers. Right now is 12:23. This is the Senior Solo Hiking Adventure 2024 Hong Kong edition. It's my third hike, and this morning a false start because of the rain. It's going to start at 9 o'clock, but I have to wait until the rain taper off a bit and take a chance to come here. I'm glad rain stopped. Right now it's 12:30, and I have to change my route because of the rains. I'm supposed to go down here, but it looks like it's gonna be slippery. So I think I'm gonna take this one, see whether I can find another route to go down to the Blades Ridge. So stay tuned. Fuck. It's almost 1 o'clock. I think I arrived at the highest point of today's hike. Blimey, that's the steps all the way up. I'm not gonna find a way to go down to Blades Ridge, which should be on my right hand side of the path. I know. I'm looking at what? Phew. That island there at the front is called Sharp Island. I came up from here, but it's going to fly the drone, but a little bit too windy, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to go down. This is south, facing south here. Go down this way, and there should be a path to go down the right. This is facing north, and actually I can see what they call it, the high jump peak over there. One of the 3 pointed peaks in Hong Kong. High jump peak is the lowest one. I've been there a couple of times. Okay, here we go. Just left the summit, coming down. You can see what they call it, Green Egg Island down there. It's I can see it there. The island with some green tree on top. That's a Green Egg Island. Now, going down now. I can see the objective, my objective for today, the Blades Ridge is down there right at the middle. Originally, my plan was to come around, follow the coastline. So, but today is too wet and vegetation is too dense. So I'll come up this way where it's supposed to come back up. So when I go down, I will come back up this way. We'll see how that's going to work out here. Looks like this path here is where I should turn off and go down. But I don't know how dense the vegetation or slippy it is, so we'll see. I think this path here, going down this way, a little bit steep, and slippery today. I had to find another way. Maybe I have to go around along the route to come back. And see, I can see my objective today, but I don't think I want to go down this way. So we'll go back up. Straight ahead down is the Green Egg Island. When the tide is low, I know a lot of people will canoe and even swim across to the island. I gotta come back up this way, these stairs. They're uneven, big steps. And unfortunately, I did bring my hiking coat today because with my umbrella, I don't want to carry too much. But now, I don't think I need the umbrella. I need the hiking poles. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. I passed this sign here and I thought the turnoff is further down. So I went down there and Ultra tells me I have to turn back, so come here. Okay, if I want to go down to my objective today, I have to go this way. And then I go down, I have to come back up this way and then follow the original route, go back. I don't know, well, I'm gonna go in there, have a look, and see, you know, this. In spite of that warning sign, and the path is not clear and a lot of vegetation, and I'm maybe a kilometer from my destination, but I'm not sure. I'll try a little bit and see what happens. Interesting rock formation here. Just a few meters in. Already a few slippy spots, and looks like the trail down to the bottom there is more like this, and I have to come back up. I don't know, I think my thinking is I have to turn back here and give up. Yeah, well, so far really haven't done all the trails I want to do. The previous two was kind of optional. This is the first real one I want to do. But looks like I have to abandon. Hello. Well, back to the summit. So from here on, there's going to be a steady going down the stairs. I'm looking forward to that. It's 2:25 in the afternoon. Hike 2 hours and 16 minutes back to this trailhead. I still have 20 minutes to walk back on the road to where the bus stop is. So, but I'm gonna take a break here before I walk to the bus stop. Well, back to the traffic circle, but I'm gonna catch a bus. It's 2 o'clock right now. 5.8 kilometers, 313 observations games. That concludes my third hike in Hong Kong. A failed attempt to reach Blaze Ridge. Another time, I guess. Alright, going back to the city. Oh, this entire trail, I haven't seen a single soul. So, all by myself, which I rather enjoy. Wow, it's just Bentley car, Rolls Royce just went by.